Hi guys, welcome to my channel AI Tech. So any guesses? Today I'm going to review about which product? Is it pen drive? Is it memory card? Or any guesses about this two device which I'm having it? Any guesses? Okay, just let me explain what exactly this device called as. So this device, what you see here, both are memory card adapter hub. So this device you can use into mobile, okay, or to laptop or in your tablet. It has a type C and type A connector, and let's say if you have professional camera and you're using this memory card, so you want to transfer the photo from memory card to the laptop or to the mobile directly, you just have to just plug it and plug it to the device. So type C can be used for mobile and type A for laptop. So even it has the micro SD card slot which you can see here. So this is basically the nano micro SD which generally we found in tablet and a mobile phone. So if you have external, you can connect here, you can copy your data to a laptop or to the other devices. So this device, how it is different from this particular device. So this has only two functionality. One is micro SD card and the second one is the normal memory card. But this particular adapter, it's the same, like it says a type A, type C, normal memory cards and micro, and it also has a USB port. Yes, so you can also connect the pen drive like this. So the functionality remains same for this particular adapter as well. You can connect to laptop using type A or tablet or mobile phones which is a type C connector. You can copy the data, or you can take a data from this particular device. So this particular device I'm using almost more than a year or so, and in my case it's very useful, so I just thought to share with you guys. Basically for the people who are always carrying a professional camera, mirrorless camera or DSLR, so they always have this memory card. So if you have this adapter, immediately if you want to watch photos and share with your friends and family, you can just use memory card, plug into the mobile and transfer to your mobile and send to your families and friends.